Sarap nyo na, diba? Okay, today balik tayo sa pagre-review. This time it's a 1996 Toyota Corona Exure with a very special engine. Grabe, sarap eh. Sige, let's check it out. Oh, fuck. Putang ina, yung pala tamang way to drive it. Son of a bitch. Oh, tang ina. Ano naman pala yun i-drive. Tang ina, suabe. Okay guys, let's talk about the Toyota Corona. In production in the Philippines between 1993 to 1998, this was built as a luxury car, panlaban to actually sa mga Zafiro, sa mga Galant, sa malakihan, sa malakas sa gas. Meron tayo dito sa Philippines ng EX Saloon and the Exure, which is mas newer, mas maganda yung puwet. Pero I do prefer the EX Saloon, parang medyo Japanese ang mukha. Anyways, yun nga, ang engine niya is a 3S FE na 16 valve 2.0. Swabe rin, pero medyo malakas sa gas. You know how the 90s engineering works. Pero it's there, it's nice. May example akong pakita sa inyo. Ito yung EX Saloon ni Mr. Enald, the king of freshness of Pampanga. Grabe, fresh na fresh din yung Corona niya. Ganda ng tindig, tamang-tama ang fitment. Yun, sa Corona, ang maganda dito, ang dami niyang bits. You could do actually a lot of version here. Euro or Japanese. Maraming available na parts. Medyo paano siya, masarap na panlasa, kakaiba. So ito nga, swabe, sarap. Yun lang masasabi ko is itong fini-feature ko, ilagyan niya ng special engine, which is the beans. Oh yes, solid diba? Drive safe, kids. Right. This is the 1996 Toyota Corona Exure with a very special engine. Alam mo naman tayo, mahilig tayo mag-check ng luba. Okay. Also, this is an automatic run. Solid ah. What the? Yun. It's cool. So, inasutod lang natin. Pakinggan lang natin muna ito manok. This is from the same guy who owns the Galant na Turbo Super Saloon. Medyo bado yung head unit, pero ayos lang yan. Try natin. Utang inang tunog ng makina yan. Kung saririnig niyo pa, linis. Matic. Puta. Okay, hindi na tayo magpapa-shortcut regarding sa engine. 3S GTE. 3S GTE ito, diba? 3SG lang. Ay kasi hindi turbo. Ayan, sorry. 3SG 2.0 na dock. Special engine ng Toyota. And it's fucking cool, pare. Tignan mo naman paano mag-purr. Pakinggan ka natin. Wala. Kailangan natin ma-test drive. Sige, test drive natin mamaya. Solid. Silipin natin yung makina. It may look like an ordinary Corona, which is mostly meron sa market. Puro ganun na lang. Bukas na natin sa voice para pakita ko yung makina. Usually 2.0 to, stock. Kita nyo na yan, alam nyo na yun. Tinan mo naman to pag binuksan. Beams, baby. Medyo madumi pa yung makina kasi ongoing pa eh, naayos pa. So ayaw pa engine 1. Ano ito pakinggan? Tong ina mo. Kailangan natin mapatakbo to, marinig natin, mag-perform. So, malinis ang conversion niya actually compared sa other, yun lang. Other than that, madumi. Sounds good, looks good. So, let's check it out. Okay, let's go with the 1996. Tama ba?
Yes.
The Corona Exure. A very special engine. This is good for project cars kung trip niyo mag project car. Malaki, mas spacious. Medyo mature ka na. Kasi usually Corolla, go for a Corolla. Ito Corolla, medyo big boys, medyo mature with a special engine. Automatic siya, which is very bihira, pero pagka tumanda ka maintindihan mo no value ng automatic cars. Medyo chunky na rin mo. Naka muffler 2.5 ba? 2.5 na pang Evo 9 na muffler. Medyo chunky. Very stock, everything looks good, looks stock, comfy. Swabe yung ride. Kaputol pa lang siya ngayon dahil bagong project pa lang. Komportable. Yun ang hinahabol mo pag executive cars ka, medium cars, wala ko hindi, hanapin mo yung comfort. Sarap magbarag pero iba rin pag komportable. Ang hinahabang, kaya si Patrick, the owner of this car, wanted this one as a project because of the engine. Mahirap na maghanap din ng engine, so try natin. Tingnan natin kung may differential ba talaga. Left at that beautiful engine. Hindi tayo pwede umata masyado. Grabe. Parang medyo sliding ng konti, no? Pero yung pagpatay ng aircon, standard sa 90s power band trick. Nagdaganda. Actually, nakaka-excite siya. Yung mga makina niya parang maraming pang pwedeng ilabas eh. Pero NA siya, so 2.0 na dock NA. Mga fan ng Toyota will love this engine because why not? Corolla is the way. Ay, Toyota is the way pare. Solid din ha. Ayoko na masyadong hataw kasi masama yun. Anyways, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung power ng kotse. Yung may-ari nito, yung same guy na may. So, mahilig talaga siya sa project car. Kaya feature na rin galant niya sa ibang mga vloggers. Di ba si Otto, ano yun? Ottomon yan. Otto Media. Otto Media yan, feature niya. So, ito pinakabagong project car niya, which is the Corona. Very sleeper, masasabi natin.
Unahin mo muna yun, tapos isubukan mo yung downshift.
Ikaw na lang. So palit tayo siya mag-drive, mas kabisado niya to. Tayo naman ang magiging pasahero. Tingnan muna natin kung so meron palang trick sa pagdadriving ng ganitong auto. Andayin mo nang relax. So yun nga, this is Patrick and this is his project car. This car usually goes around for 200 to 500 depende kung kano ka modded. Pero sige, we'll get into that later. Si Motorboy ha. Nakakainin mo yun. Oh fuck. Putang ina, yung pala ang tamang way to drive it. Son of a bitch. Oh, tang ina. Ano naman pala yun i-drive. Putang ina, suabe. Okay, pats ha, putang ina. It was fun. Ay, grabe. Yung pala yun. Hindi ko kasi kanina pina-floor. Siyempre nahihiya tayo. Puta, meron palang trick to puta, labas yung power, no? Wow. This guy's crazy. Yung power, sarap. Tangina, ang ganda naman pala ng makinang to. Woo! Tangina. I will,
for a daily.
Oo, tatanggapin ko kanina na I was taking it easy pa rin. Nakakahiya ako. Hataw-hataw, supot pala yung pala may power, nandun lahat. Solid. Overall, the Toyota Corona is a very good project car. Maganda siya, malaki, maraming parts available. As I've informed you, sinabi ko, may mga sobrang buo, umaabot ng 300 to 400. This one particular is almost 200,000 because of the engine. Then, naglagay siya ng magandang mags, which is a rare Madi na mags. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin talaga sa Corona. And I suggest, if ever, yan ang plano nyong buuin sa future, go get one and build it the way you like it. So this one, ginawa niya, he put the beams engine actually. He got it naman na gano'n. Na pinili niya to automatic. It's okay. Mas gusto niya, mas convenient. But overall, I think the Toyota Corona has high potentials. Pwede sa ating mga tito, tita, daddy, lolo, at lahat. Kahit sa bata, pasok yan. Legendary. So, see you guys on the next review, and I hope you like my videos, and thank you for watching.